We're asked if a single op amp is connected as a summing amplifier with both positive and negative inputs. The voltage gain for the positive input also depends on the voltage gain for the other inputs. Is this true or false? And we need to select one of these. So if we look at the notes we have here, we see we have our summing amps right here. So this is a summing amp, and we have our non-inverting summing amps. We're going to be looking at the non-inverting one, since it does not tell us to have a inverting one, hence the non-inverting. So when we look at the non-inverting, we're going to have something like this. And so we have voltages going into our positive, and we have a ground connected to our negative. And it's saying the voltage gain for the positive input, so our V1 and V2, also depends on the voltage gain for the other inputs. Is this true or false, like we asked? And this would be true. And this is because non-inverting summing amps can be built by adding multiple resistors to our positive op amp, which is why it specifies the positive input right here. Since this node isn't a virtual ground for gains V1 and V2 and however many more we add, they are not independent of each other. And so that means if a single op amp is connected as a summing amplifier with both our positive and negative inputs, we have things connected to both of these, the voltage gain for the positive input does depend on the voltage gain for our other inputs. And that's told right here on page 22.